Welcome back to 5 Day Crypto, guys. This is the channel where we focus on helping people for free without charging any money for anything ever. I'm not going to sit here and say I'm going to try to help you but please first buy my $4,000 course. Everything here is free. I give a few tips a day. I ask for nothing in return other than like and subscribe, and I would appreciate it. We're here 5 days a week. I'll be focusing on something new pretty much each day. Chainlink, Ethereum, Bitcoin are my main three. I'm happy to accept anything else that you guys are up for. If you have any comments, constructive criticism, I would appreciate it down in the comments. Let's go ahead and get started. Today we're looking at Bitcoin on the weekly chart against the US dollar. We are really high right now. We're overextended, as you can see, in almost every indicator. These are kind of what I use to trade. It's not a secret. A lot of traders won't try to show you what they're using to trade. I don't care. You can, if you make money, I make money. This is literally my setup every day. Bitcoin right now, we're way up high, as you know. We are over 25% above our 21-week moving average. These lines, if you don't know, this is the 21-week EMA, which is exponential moving average, if you didn't know. This is the 50-week, the 100-week, and the 200-week. And generally, you want these in order from least to greatest to have the best chance of kicking off a bull market. So we don't know if we're exactly in one yet, but all signs are kind of pointing there. From our recent March dip and a recent low in March, we've went on a crazy tear. So we are looking good. If you zoom out, I mean, we're starting to resemble maybe the early stages of one of these. I don't think we're, a few months away from having a huge blow off top like we did, but I think over the next few years, we could start, maybe we're somewhere back here or even here. Maybe this hill is, we're just getting started, so to speak. So this is a good sign. Now, even being overextended right now, we do have some good news. We have the hash ribbons. I don't know if you guys follow this or not, or know anything about it. I'm happy to talk more about it maybe in another video. But basically, this doesn't print very often. This is on a weekly time frame again. Last buy signal was July. Look where we go. Way up. For that, up, blue, up, blue. We're kind of in the consolidation range right now. I think there's a chance we can stay here for weeks or even months. We could stay here until January, February, maybe even March, before dropping back down. Now, to know if we're officially in a bull market, we're going to have to test this 21-week again. If you noticed, last bull market, even in the late stages, this is very late. This is approaching our blow off top, our speculative bubble. We still test the 21-week all the time. This one, as you get towards the end, it stays farther and farther away from this. But I mean, these are huge drops. These 30-40% drops at a time. So we're only 25% above it now. We're going to hit this again at some point. Everyone thinks we're going there quicker. I think we're not. To be blatantly honest, I think we will range bound through here, maybe through another few weeks or so. That would be great. I mean, we could drop tomorrow. We could skyrocket up tomorrow. But with this buy signal, that gives me a little bit more confidence in saying that. The longer we could stay range bound between 17.5 to 20, the greater the chance that we have of kicking off an alt season. Also, if you look at the MVT, when this is red and it changes to white, number go down. When we are white and we change to red, number go up. We are currently red right now. Hopefully we can hold that. We can still continue going back through all this white to red, up. Even in red, we can still go down. You can still be in red and go down. But generally, you want it to stay red as you're moving up. If it goes back white, we're going to be dropping. So, something to keep an eye on. I'm happy to take questions. Anything else I'm forgetting? I don't think so. Maybe the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. If you guys have seen this, I talked about this the other day. Looking at the 3-month. There we go. We are ranging here. As you can see, we're starting to form a nice trend. Our low, 86, 86, 86, 86, 86, 86. Our highs, 95. We want to stay within this range for sure to see Bitcoin continue this sideways movement to better have a chance for alt season. If Bitcoin can stay this way for another few weeks, I think we're going to see alts massively start making some moves here. We don't want to see lower than 86, and we probably honestly don't want to see higher than 95, because that means we could be having another final leg up, as you see back in here before we had a huge drop. We went from 75, we were making a nice floor, and then we kind of one final leg up and then down. So we don't want to make like a 95 going from a 90, 91. We don't want tomorrow, next few days or weeks, we don't want to see like a 98 or 99. That probably signals the party's coming into an end here momentarily. I do still think we're in a bull market. I think, we can see a peak here in the next few years, 2022, 2023. I think Bitcoin could be, close to 10x higher than it is now. I would think that's relatively conservative. I think alts could do significantly more than that from here, from these prices. I think we're looking at 10, 20x from here. Maybe I could do another video on projections over the next few years for several different coins. Let me know what you think. We're just getting started here. We also have our Twitter, if you want to check me out over there. It's 5-Day Crypto 1 for the link. Just type that in. Follow me over there. Let me know you found me on YouTube. I'd appreciate it. We post all our videos on YouTube over here. We also do a couple separate charts, so if you want to just see a quick glance at a chart, come over here. Happy to have you. Let me know what you think. Now we want to do another thing we like to do on this channel is car of the day. I love cars, so this is the 2020 Corvette C8. These are the new ones, the mid-engine Corvette. It is the first mid-engine anything that Corvette or GM has produced in quite a long time, and they only actually produced one other mid-engine car ever. Let me know if you know what that is. You'd have to be a pretty big car buff to get that one. But that is our car of the day. I guess that's it for now, guys. Let me know what you think. I appreciate you being here. Thank you.